And welcome to Una, people of God and people of sports. Fantasy Premier League by the Republicans is back. My name is Tracy Chappelle, the one that they call Swell, aka Swell, the Queen of Sports. And I did here with Rastat on Dada. He's back on the block. He's feeling good, feeling nice. The week 35 review making you feel good, Mr. Life Jacobs.
You know, when you get players where they get the triple game week and they also get double game week full of you go get this kind of smile with my face.
Oh, I love the smile. And
Also,
then said they always forget to they put a team for inside before deadline. Team what yeah.
Yes.
We they run this running for corner before, but I say make we drag you enter center. Let's rate your performance.
You want to say for FPL, sometimes they will forget to put lineup. And they forget to arrange players. I go get injured, I go still live and there.
Choy.
You understand? But man, I guess give credit to all those people who don't enter 2000. We see their point don't enter 2000.
2K gang.
And producer need to come on you from my side.
For all those who say don't jump on the likes of Danny Ings, we don't at least they get from back. They score goals. And for all those who say people like me, we see they hope say Salah go do us well. De Bruyne go do us well. Well, the future is bright.
It's bright.
That is all I can say.
The limited future. Less than 5 games to go. In fact, less than 4 games to go. And I get
in fact,
somebody.
3 games remain now.
You know, say something, but not 3 games.
Still get 4.
Yeah.
Something get from. That's how we get some double games this coming days. Chisom Okpala, aka MC Biscuit. You the shop biscuit for this fantasy. I've been a tapioca. You
But this season, the thing shocked me.
It shock you.
You shocked me. You
Oh,
shocked me.
you,
Because last. Normal, I'd always get rich that kind in 2000, but this season. Oh, this season.
You know
no. You know just blend at all. You know just blend.
Okay, make I just throw this one out. Make I start with you. Your top performance for this week and your top flop. Who you go rate as your top performer?
Well, my top performance this game week. Definitely I will go for those who get 3 games.
No, not be this game. I said the last 35.
Okay, the last 35 games.
Wala for Oge Watkins.
I would actually go for Bruno.
Bruno.
Yes, Bruno Fernandes. Because that guy has been raking in with those penalties. They sweet me anyhow. Because he been getting penalties well, as in 10 penalties. 10 on 9 this season.
Not
score 9. Just imagine. If you get that kind of person. I remember back then when I get Lampard for my team. Lampard, they give me penalties well. I've been playing, you don't think.
I don't blame Now you never crossed 2000.
I said 2007.
Wow.
FPL 2007. Then you will get to coach for team now. Coach na nonsense for that team that time. Why? You know they give points. You got to get your steady 2 points. Then once in a while, though, I remember that time when I get Kanu then when he scored reach 10 goals that season. I see your stop now come out and carry Benjani can score. But this season Bruno
not the guy.
Not the guy.
I will come back to you for this historical, but of course, I'm never sure. I think that you be the person who say be the oldest user of FPL when don't come through this table. But for you, Timmy, make a move to you. Who be your top performer and your top flop?
Well, for top performer, I guys give them to Eze, Iberichi Eze.
Yeah.
That goal when score. And
assist.
the Sabines when you score that goal. You
Orgasmic.
Yeah,
Orgasmic.
yeah.
You don't say that get some kind goal. When we say when you see her, you'll be like, hi.
So for me, I think Iberichi Eze for me now the guy with me I go feel say yes. I won't put as my top performer for the week. But my flop of the week, Kufal. Because first off, I've been what's his name now? I've been put Stones. I've been put the likes of Tyrone Mings from Aston Villa. But I guess come on them. But I've been hope say Kufal. Go fit do well. Remember, they played Chelsea, I think 3 weeks ago.
Yes.
Now that period, now I put and say, okay, this guy go fire down. Though in get points, but at 2 points he give me, and that is for me is nonsense. I was thinking it was going to, and again, I noticed say most of the time we say if you want pick players, we say maybe they don't score goal because I remember one time we say I can't put Sushek too.
Yeah.
Sushek.
When you put on, then you go just take bim.
As I put on like this because most of the time me I always worry say my defense they give me points.
Yeah.
Because the only steady person why they always leave for that my defense na Harry Maguire.
Oh yes.
And the reason why they leave him, I say, if he get goal for me, if he score goal, and he go always start. So, as Econ, baby, I think he get injury recently.
Yeah, last game.
Yeah, I guess come on. So
if you not even play safe,
the likes of Kufal waiting my team. For me, I feel my flop for the week because I expected more from him. And for the others, for my best, I'll give him to Easy.
Easy. What about you, baby?
For week 35, and now the 19-year-old wonder kid, Mason Greenwood, 9-1. He get 3 games, and he don't score for like 2 of them already. And hopefully, if he starts against Liverpool, he go down another goal again. Easy Greenwood now the guy for me for this game week. Why the flop for me for this game week? That the most expensive striker, Harry Kane.
I understand Harry Kane own, but Harry Kane don't so deliver. So
we not go fit blame him, but
exactly. Harry Kane don't to deliver. When you say you can't
the good thing be
you want to flop him.
I move him away.
Really?
Yeah, I move him away.
Harry Kane are my steady captain.
The reason why I move him away because I look say Vardy gets double game.
Yeah.
And Vardy they score against United one kind. So I just bring Vardy in.
Unfortunately,
not temporary fix. So not temporary fix, but then I they move him off and they bring back my Harry Kane because Harry Kane get better games and hopefully he go score goals. Harry Kane.
Harry Kane insurance for me.
Insurance, but insurance not the bank now. You know they not the bank.
Highest goal scorer. He they score goal weekend. Forget Leeds match. Leeds match now. Everybody mumu. But it happen. But you know, see normally Harry Kane they feel.
You go come out and you go keep him.
You say one come out now.
He came back. I just come out because of the.
Why you not get injury now? Why you want to come out? What if he can go score hat-trick?
I did bring him back. I just come out and briefly because in only one gaming get and against Leeds.
That was smart.
So I just come out and briefly.
Oh, you don't put him against Leeds.
No put him.
I
get foresight.
Spiritual.
No wonder you don't have 30,000 points. No. Makes sense.
We cast our eyes to the screen where we say you go see the top flops for the week. For most people when we say the votes, Jesse Lingard when we say don't eat a blank for inside the hot streak. Bamford, although I feel like say season is coming for Bamford to come back. Then of course Harry Kane.
And for me, now one of the most transferred players, I think, going into this week.
Funny part, I sell the 3 of them from my team before the game week.
That means you are like private.
I said the 3 of them.
Make una custom for people like us. It's like the spirit came on you. The good partner say if you go to the guys when we say finish work, not only one I shock all of us pass, and that's the fucking twat. That guy. What to be that name? Avatar man.
Who be that?
Gareth Bale. And they see the guy they start who won't use this point now? Nobody if you use a Gareth Bale points. If anybody will get Gareth Bale
21 points.
It was nonsense and it went bad.
See the truth of the matter is anybody where they use Gareth Bale, that person no follow through the season. You no follow through the season.
At all. He just came in.
Gareth Bale fish shine today. Next match, you go. If you even put up for bench or go get injury, you understand? So anybody, for me, I feel say that's one when score goals that last time. Now just new manager bounce, all those kind of things. Manager just come, you won't impress. You understand? Exactly. So this one way they get me. If instead of I go pick Gareth Bale, I'll go pick Aubameyang.
No, but the funny thing is, after Mourinho come out for Tottenham, I'd one of the people advocate say make if you get players like Gareth Bale,
Son,
you don't know Gareth
Bale.
Not
to bring them in. See, no matter how it be, because Ryan Mason no say he no get anything to prove.
So now the big boys,
so he go play the big boys to play.
Yeah.
And Gareth Bale na person fit turn up on a good day. So if you dey lucky enough, he go give you a trick like he give you.
But you know say it is almost impossible to get Harry Kane, Bale, and Son for your team. Because see him as a team and nonsense.
You must pick one.
No, you go pick the best of the lesser evil. So
Harry Kane.
They look for price. No, if they look for price, in the cheaper. So you go for and then get Harry Kane for the strike because nobody do without Harry Kane. But then if they look for best way go give you short points, now Son and Kane, and the two of them are happy.
Because moving forward, they say a couple of players when we say we talk about Harvest for the last distancing and somebody when we say you want to put some money in, and so far so good in the past 2 weeks the guy never disgraced us. So thank you very much, Prophet. I saw you still work, but I look at a man, Mikel Antonio. Hamas they hammer people now. In fact, they remember
They're not the hammer again.
But now they hammer, not be Lingard, not the hammer, but
one of it don't work for Antonio right now. I think Jesse Lingard, because if I say when Jesse Lingard pick from Antonio be the guy with
go down.
Yeah. So Jesse don't
Come
drop
down him
ball.
now.
Antonio don't
But
bounce
you know,
back.
normally-
Is it time to jump on the Hamas party with Antonio? It's not too costly.
Well,
And 6 points.
I feel say if you jump on them because for Antonio a player be say when you least expect, now he go come up with the goods. You
And
understand?
they do something towards ending of season.
Yeah, exactly.
Always
So-
end of season, beginning of season, until they do middle. Like
So you know go bad if you just try and for me now, if I want to do something for my squad, I'll
3
come
games
up.
to go.
I'll come up Bamford.
Okay.
From
Straight
Leeds.
up.
You understand?
Straight up.
I'll come up Bamford. Yes.
Straight up.
I feel
because-
like Bamford are one of the guys when he turn out good.
Straight up.
No, because
Bamford
and last games.
you know why Bamford don't too.
He has nothing to prove
You don't do
again.
for call or say okay. He can't get what time he say he can't stall. You know, can they score goals
Yeah.
again? You understand? So I feel I don't go too trust now, but this running into Champions League qualifications,
Yep.
Antonio would always want to.
Okay, as much as I agree with you, Antonio will always want to, turn up because then they won't try go
Yeah.
Champions League, last Europa League. But then Bamford are one of the players who don't get the highest number of chances for Premier League.
Yeah.
And you go get that kind of person for your team because say the chances go
Percentage.
there. Now just say making
put am for
convert
net.
am, na him be the only team.
Like the
wey
same
remain.
mindset when they always say
So,
the starting Movena now.
he
You
bet-
know say he go lose. He go
He
lose.
better-
You
he
know say
better-
he
he
go
better-
always
Whenever you
get
get person, you always get the chance.
Yeah.
That person will say you dey back and say you go get one,
When don't
score
go
that
one,
one.
score one.
If to
That was
say,
the point.
if to
That
say
was
if
my
he get Adebayo when in the Arsenal that time, you go cry.
Are you serious?
You go cry. Oh God! The only time when I enjoy him now if they play against West Brom, if they get a hat trick. Confirm.
You go get those
But-
Or you want to play against a former club?
When you play against a former club, you go enjoy him. But when he be there Arsenal, that nearly they pain person.
It's a near something.
Mikel Antonio na good signing for
Yeah.
everybody wey get the
Me, I just dey look the running.
especially now wey
won't qualify. West
Oli
Ham.
Watkins get
Oh, okay.
red card, so
Yeah.
Antonio na fine substitute and they're both the same price.
What
Six
about
point-
Aubameyang
6.2,
though?
6.3.
Because if you look the fixtures when they come, you get why. Don't forget say a lot of teams when never played their outstanding. They thought they won't play them and take Arsenal. Arsenal don't play their West Brom game, but they get Chelsea next. I
Yes,
believe
Chelsea.
Chelsea too. They get Arsenal next.
Yeah.
Aubameyang is back to banging. So is this somebody to bang with? That is something. Look at Crystal Palace and their Southampton game too. I believe say somebody like a Inks. Now somebody when say you want to look into a matter too. Obviously, you already know say Crystal Palace already do their own from yesterday or from earlier in the week.
Yeah.
So they get opportunity to get other games in as well. The only teams when NBC is supposed to blank for moving forward to the next week 36 now. After this one now, Arsenal, Chelsea, Leicester City, Man, you want to do a quick swap? Pick an Arsenal player.
One of the things where I
Chelsea
do
player.
now, I make sure say my bench go give me
Points.
now people I feel bring in
Fit
into,
bring in,
into
yeah.
the team because I sacrifice looking forward for now.
For now. So you won't play the short con or the long con because the thing go there in quick succession. The team sometimes go play for week 35 when they feel likely give you the main points. They're not go play for next week. So how you want run now? How you go about?
last now to collect point deduction. I mean I don't zero my mindset. I will collect -4 deduction, and the only reason why I won't collect -4 now because say I won't move Greenwood back.
Oh.
Oh,
And
really?
then
must
bring
really
somebody
like
to
this
replace him.
Greenwood.
Like,
Greenwood
with
was
this,
sandwich.
I had to take -12 points
Are you serious?
for
Did it
this
pay
game.
off?
Very well.
How much you get?
Well, at least currently I suppose they 50 something so far.
So far, the week
So
never
far,
conclude.
you know, it never finished
So far.
yet.
It's something for
I
us.
still get
That's
Bruno,
right.
Salah never still play,
Yes,
Aubameyang never
I get some
play.
7 points already.
Thunder.
So,
Your game with
yeah, and I
36.
still get some players who still remain to play. I get like 5 players who remain to play.
no,
just-
hopefully
You
you
need to load. Now
now
double
moving
it.
mountain.
Now Chilwell messed me up.
That go with
You
the
put
consider.
Chilwell?
No,
He no
bench am.
play.
Oh, you go put now because you go put Chilwell. Chilwell, see, Chelsea now and Man City for defenders. They did the same what's up. You know they show
Ruben
them-
Diaz,
you-
sef.
You know they chop.
Ruben Diaz.
No, for Man City,
No
no go there.
You know they chop. But make an action at this one. As it stands, will they sleep on somebody? Chris Wood for a possible captain, Dominic Calvert-Lewin or Danny Ings.
The truth be say you sure
Who
say
go you go
score.
captain if you had a chance to captain?
Na Danny
somebody?
Ings oh.
Danny
Just
Ings.
be Danny.
Danny
You know why?
Ings.
You know why? Danny Ings don't do that form. We say he go one proof to Southgate. Say hey, I want go Euros.
Not
I
be
fit go Euros. You understand?
I
If
like
you
that
give me-
narrative.
You understand? So I feel say if I want pick any of these, Calvert-Lewin a player we say
He took a one proof for Wales now. Make I know say he want go Euros too now.
yeah no not even England too but
Now Wales ain't they do now.
no na England na
They
England
switch up.
na English
English boy.
na English boy
He
normally.
just
boy.
doing debut recently.
But
Oh, no,
but
be say he switch. Fuck
but
shit,
but
man.
for Chris Wood me I feel say now all those
flash in the pan.
Exactly, Shomigba, all those kind of things. You know they see when I knock the goal enter. Now that kind of.
But he has been very consistent.
No.
One
For
of the most
Shomigba.
important-
He just got hat trick recently.
Nah,
So
beg.
we
you hail
See,
him. But Danny Ings, now proving, now serial.
tested and proven.
Exactly.
It gets
Customer
with
service.
I'll go for this
It gets
year,
with
though.
you will never notice. People like Danny Ings, Chris Wood, Arsenal as a team, their last 4 games, almost every season, they always generate wins. If you notice. And if you check out, let me say, these players I've even called now.
Shift your mic, make it hear you.
These players who I don't call. Towards the ending of the league, now always their strikers, they get most of their goals. Arsenal, check most of their goals this season. Lacazette, Aubameyang.
Yeah.
Aubameyang has not been scoring.
Yeah.
But now 2 of them still get goals. Chris Wood in Burnley, the same thing. Danny Ings, injury, behold, but
Yeah,
he
but now
still
he's
get
back.
the goals.
So tested and trusted
So-
customers.
That forward.
For me though, I they go for this year.
Calvert-Lewin.
Calvert-Lewin, because you get one formation when they play now for Everton.
Yeah.
They play 2 center forwards now.
And I mean
Him
the
with
point man.
Richarlison, and he be
Yeah.
point man.
Mm.
So Richarlison, if you watch their last
They
game
drift
against
wide.
West Ham, if you see the way they pull those defenders, they
Yeah.
give them spaces to run into.
But you know,
So
say,
that one,
but you know,
they
say
set it for them to give them
Lewin,
goals.
they drought before he score against who then play,
Yes.
who then win once against West Ham.
West Ham.
drought.
Even they drought for like a very long time.
one, very
Yeah,
Who say no
long.
score goal?
This is season running.
I be get
And
some
it's
time.
not time for
Now.
strikers to shine.
You see that your point where you make. See that your point where you make. If you follow the story very well, you're gonna say Ancelotti guys they tell Richarlison say, guy, you guys play waiting I tell you to play because him want to be the point man instead of Calvert-Lewin.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I feel say that rivalry go still there. We say he no go want make
No,
this
he
guy
won't feed
they.
am well.
No, in the feed them normally, in the feed them, but in the feel say in time
Mr.
don't come when we
supposed to
say
score goals
Mr.
too.
supposed to only score goals. So I just feel say Danny Ings, Che Adams they work for him.
Exactly.
Everybody they work
That's
for
what,
him.
that's
You
what I'm there
understand?
for.
Whole team is
Exactly, they work for him.
feeding.
But this bros, Calvert-Lewin, he used to get somebody who go want compete with goals for him. For that, that's why I know I agree with Waiting bros. So, but you see, Chris Wood on. Now say Mosho Shomigba.
And
Well, know what,
if
if
it
you-
happen for me, happen.
Exactly.
Which I could tell that, especially for those of them when we say they watch this particular content as it is too. It depends on the narrative when we say you want carry. Because ending of season, now the narrative when we say you put for your head, now you go use to the align how you want to put your player. So you don't see the narrative with Danny Ings. Anybody can feed him because the team is about him. You don't see Calvert doing own. He gets struggle man with Richarlison, but if you get the opportunity, coach the back him, he go feed do something. You don't see Chris Wood on. According to Biscuit, he tell una say this is your name, the name the lasher. MC Biscuit. Not MC Biscuit. He said the guy not be cracker at all. Say because as you see answer for Chris Wood, say ending of season, he dey sure say people like and they go they
score.
So it depends on the narrative when you want carry, but we go like make una engage with us. So just go for the comment section for all the platforms where soon that they see this podcast, especially those of them when they say they for YouTube. Put who you be say you want carry for your captain and we go see whether market or change hands or something like that. Make we end them on this one. See, I like this thing when they call Akube or not Akube or this where we say if you stay wage market. See, why they laugh? You dey like say you not do better select. You not do bobo. I mean you not do bobo.
Now when they go boutique.
You sabi.
Anyway, Sha, we're gonna vote which players in our be the people when we say if you had some money or small money or not so much money, you go use and take beef up your squad, especially make we start from say goalkeeper Emiliano Martinez, Aston Villa. They're not getting
Now my
double game
player.
week
You
for-
see
now your
this?
player.
Now my own player.
But in
Now
the
my
show,
goalkeeper all
I
through
know,
this
I
season.
know.
Like, and
I
I
know
really
even
goalkeeper
change
will no change all through this
But I
season.
regret this last weekend though.
Eh,
My
but just
second
once.
choice, Nick Pope can't get points pass him.
Yes,
now just
it
was,
happen.
but I tell them I say Nick Pope go do Sha. I'm not telling about Everton. Say this, but when I put my, I tell now when I can turn, I'm not gonna rate me. When they rate me, I guess sense at times. Jordan
At
Pickford.
times.
At times.
Not even every time.
Pickford, if let's say Everton don't go back to they solid for their
Yeah.
defense. So
Yes.
Pickford don't they pick up some
He
kind
pick up points too now.
some kind clean sheet here and there. So hopefully Pickford now one person supposed to look at. Tariq Mitchell don't come back to
Yeah,
yeah,
baby.
you don't
I
put-
wasn't
and you don't
there.
play.
Van Arnold self.
So-
No, they even see shirt again.
May I not punish now only to
Nah.
Babel. See any boy when say na so to dey die, ask Pogba. I not don't dey learn. If not to
But
dey
no,
die, they
no,
die.
no
they die.
You go
Pogba
die your
slander.
head.
No Pogba
Why is that they
slander.
wear weak since? I don't wear weak now. To make my hair breathe. I go carry them again because all those boys when they die now, if like say no you sabi they play ball. They just they call they do hair. They call they do swags for us for inside. They do. I maybe they get out. They do Bella Shmurda for us. Okay, time to put some money on Bukayo Saka.
No.
Wow.
Pass.
Yeah, no.
Hard no.
Hard no. Hard pass.
Because
Yeah.
you know, his team done they come out.
Exactly, this team don't come out, and also Arsenal are a very inconsistent side. Arsenal as team will go beat person today very clean, and then the next weekend they go mess up.
And also,
I know they like team where they go off and on. You know,
and also to add, Bukayo Saka right now, if he play left back, if he play 7, so you don't know who the position will be saying will play. So it's just so it's just best to just stay off.
Okay. See,
senior man.
Senior man didn't.
Senior man should stay for your team till the end of the season.
Senior man.
I had to sell Kane to just get this guy.
Are you serious?
Yeah, a good man. Sober. You have sense.
Kane just to get this guy,
You have sense.
and you don't disappoint.
Yeah, not in form.
Senior man, they form of his life.
They inform.
And the best way go feed you now to bank compensate on form. So
Who go believe say?
Sheko take by me talk the same thing when we had that conversation with him about Iheanacho. He's saying the wild one for anybody when we say one defend against Iheanacho now, not be whether Iheanacho fit do. The thing when pay me now the Man U game when we say they're not too. But I go manage.
we take he give you how many points? 9 points out of 2 games, man.
Yeah. And a big deal with that.
With both hands.
My brother. Another person I seen today in the form of his life, especially when it comes to Champions League. But he don't get Riyad Mahrez.
Riyad Mahrez.
You know, say Pep Guardiola swap.
I know they buy any Pep player for my team again till the season is over.
They don't win league now. So
they don't win league.
So they will be more relaxed.
Now to give other people chance. The only thing we are going to do now, maybe the last game of the season or no. Maybe Sterling, but Mahrez. Sterling too expensive, so no Sterling either.
No Sterling.
But Riyad Mahrez, no, I beg. No Man City player. I love them, but none of them
don't win the title.
I waste points go buy Mahrez. 0, you're the loud to my side.
No.
Don't be like Mahrez go sit down for bench.
Now fact. Now only Champions League you shine now. Champions League.
Okay, Marco put them this way. I believe say Leeds boys. Whether now Patrick Bamford or man no lie the island where I put island there, man no lie.
You don't like him.
Island will they give us steady.
You know, sometimes we get what would they put our player for fantasy? At times, make I cover my head.
You go cut your workout.
Sometimes a kind player you're too fine. You know, see when they go put up on that their website, you're costing the player. Go just take
like Oli Watkins.
You go start like this. You go come like. Then you come like. I won't move away, but I can't move away.
Hey. So you don't spoil.
Who never spoil. Una go rate Eileen today.
Eileen, I don't trust Liz to keep clean sheet
at all.
So what is the point?
And if Eileen don't go give you assist, what is the
Eileen, sorry. See, not because we don't get something. I just say I just put her make it be like say, and they not put a picture. I go ask our producer why they not put her because me artist say they go put a picture. No when we say this part they pop picture. They not put a picture.
Island there,
Bamford, I feel like this is the time for Bamford to end on a very strong.
I hope so.
I feel so.
I think one of the things I want to do now, one of the changes I want to make now to move Oli Watkins out and bring Bamford in. I don't know. I trust Bamford more than any other cheap strikers they out there because the Leeds team go create. Rafinha go create.
Yep.
Harrison go create for him. Now just making tapping or putting head on top one chance. True. And if he gets at least for a game, he go see like 5 chances.
For this way talk, I go leave him for my team.
No, that's correct guy. If you leave him, just leave him.
If I'm to judge from past seasons, you see these teams we don't relegate get their strikers. They are playing without pressure now.
As in now they want.
Now them go score.
Like Brimstar them.
As in Pereira. They are playing without pressure.
I don't know why Pereira don't for Akube players, so because Pereira now one of the biggest Akube player because if they look for transfer now, Pereira, and I'm very sure Pereira no go be West Brom player by the end of the season or next season. Pereira won't play for Premier League now, and he don't cement himself.
What of Mitrovic?
No, maybe
Mitrovic
go back to in.
That guy idiot. Waste my energy, time, and nonsense.
Mitrovic is one of the first players was signed for the beginning of the season.
I signed him too.
After the first 2 weeks, I would say.
What's it bound for being? I would say Mitrovic.
Exactly.
Rubbish and ingredients. Anyway, make we end this one. Make we call them. We call this one the Call It segment. As it is, so predict the player when say will likely get the most points this week.
Wait, who Man U they play this weekend?
Man U they play match.
Man they play this weekend. They play Liverpool.
They play Liverpool on Thursday.
They get their Liverpool
game. They get that weekend.
Who? If Man U they wait, make I see. Wait, nice.
You just don't have Fernandes in one call. How many penalties?
Fernandes I go always one corner. What you expect?
I think I would like go for Arsenal player. No, Arsenal say get blank quick.
Salah.
I go for.
You want finally hope say your Salah go give money.
Salah, West Brom is down.
Now the time to buy Salah be this.
Actually, not
West Brom is down and out.
No, God no go agree. Make Harry Kane carry him. On behalf of my sake, make him say Salah blank. I go put some money on Danny Ings as my most likely.
Aston Villa. Well, if you still get Oli Watkins for that team, I know.
Give him red, fuck shit, man.
That's correct.
He don't go play, no worry on.
No, he go miss Everton game today, a bit tomorrow. Tonight, he go miss Everton game. No, tomorrow night. And then he go come back for the weekend to play the other game. So
Concert on point. This guy is a fine boy too. Why you not put where our producer? Why they not put my guy with pink lip? Okay, we'll go manage Tyrone Minks. Get come on. FC Biscuits. Who go be your player with the most points, most likely?
I want to go for a joker this time.
Joker.
And the reason for Liverpool.
So serious?
The reason Jota.
Jota.
Are you serious?
Ooh, that's a nice call, though. I like
Jota.
it. I like it.
And it's been out of the news for a while.
The funny thing about
Jota.
Exactly.
I may be the only person who enjoy Jota points because the week was signed Jota, and Jota stopped to score or do anything. I just did the look and but I no fit transfer am out because in they cheap enough today for the team. And at the same time, look and Liverpool we dey
Liverpool.
You know what, Timmy? Make I give out to you to be the person who go tell us which team that say go cast past team to stay away from this week.
Well, stay away from Newcastle.
Fuck shit, man.
Stay away from them. Any of the no, Callum Wilson. The only problem why I get Callum Wilson I say now only second half they always score.
He go score this last time.
And
I'm not to rate him because he never scored consistently.
Yeah.
So I'm not sure that he will repeat.
Stay away from Wolves too.
Wolves,
Stay away.
What's the period?
Now 0-0
all their players.
Jesus.
Just go away from them.
Wolves are 0-0.
Just leave them.
Now what's the most disappointing team this season?
Yeah, very.
Which other team? I think I'll just leave them for that angle.
Okay.
Wolves. And don't forget, Newcastle they play. I say Newcastle because they play Man City.
They go bleed. You support Newcastle?
I don't think to stay away from Newcastle player. If you want to sign a Newcastle player, I think Sam Maxima and Callum Wilson are very good choice.
But you know the problem with Maxima? Maxima only creates and he go just give maybe 2 points or 3 points. You know they score goals.
The thing be say,
and you are playing City.
City go play a depleted team.
And
okay,
they go beat
maybe this. No, I'm not saying City go play.
They don't get depleted team.
Don't forget, Newcastle right now, they fight for relegation again. So they also be more relaxed.
But then, what's his name? They still get points to prove over the season. Don't they injure for the best part of the season? And he still want to show.
Maxima, right?
Get time. Yeah, Maxima and Callum Wilson. It's all them want to show. Say we still get time. See how they run Leicester City riot the other day.
Run the streets.
So I hope say they go do the same thing against City. And I just post more and sign for their celebration. And say book say people don't win league already. They tend to lose their next game.
Not Pep Guardiola.
Well,
not Pep Guardiola.
No, Pep do amo.
He
do amo.
When he win the league,
even for Bayern self.
No, not club, not in Premier League.
So
not club.
Make we just lose.
The reason why I trust your judgment, but then hey, football they say na like biscuits.
Na like biscuits. You don't know where to break.
Football be like biscuits. Love it. Empty biscuit. You're tired for us now. Which team you go stay away from? Flop of the week. You're likely
to stay away. That one hard though.
You want your speak points everywhere.
Chelsea know they play. Arsenal know they play.
No. Those ones we know now. Chelsea know they play. Arsenal they play. Man, you know they play.
Man City
no
get anything to play for.
It go shock all of now.
I don't even know who go keep for themselves.
They prep
They prep for Champions League.
Why they go prep for finals?
Those boys they want determine say okay, me I go play. I want make Pep look me so I will play.
And you need to say Pep go one risk in keeper make injury.
Pep don't know in team.
He don't know in team since
the semi-final game. You know
but he don't they talk and say he go still they use matches take the judge who and who.
He talk and I
mind
believe
games.
And there you have it, people of God and people of sports. We don't finish the shading of market in the business of Fantasy Premier League. And now I wish you the best of success as you go to shade your own market. By the time when we'll see next week, hopefully all of us go get points where basically go make us be like say we get sense. May not be like say we just talk nonsense. Thank you so much, Live Jacobs. Thank you, Timmy, for making your debut for this one. And of course, MC Biscuit, aka Chisom. Thank you for coming through. I will say shares, but we'll not finish the liquid for those of 9. I still be slow and I think amazing.
Thank you very much. May the force be with you.
Nagode.
Football Republic.